Stuck at Band 6 in IELTS writing? This is not because your English is bad, it is because your strategy is wrong. Today, I will show you exactly how to write a Band 7 plus answer. Step by step, you won't believe the last one for a Band 7. Most students think IELTS writing is about vocabulary. That's the wrong way to think. Examiners are looking for structure, clarity, and control. In this video, I will show you the exact structure you must follow, the biggest mistakes that keep you at Band 6, and how to upgrade your writing instantly. Let's begin with why students get Band 6. Most students fail for 3 simple reasons. Number 1, they write without a clear structure. Number 2, they use memorized phrases that sound unnatural. Number 3, they make too many small grammar mistakes. Now listen carefully. Band 7 is not about being perfect. It is about being clear, organized, and accurate most of the time. Let's talk about the perfect Band 7 structure for Task 2. Let's break it down. You only need 4 paragraphs: introduction, body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, and conclusion. That's it, no magic. Introduction is the most important part. Your introduction must do 3 things: paraphrase the question, give your opinion, and show your main ideas. For example, the wrong way. This essay will discuss both views. This is Band 5 language. Now a Band 7 way. While some people believe X, I strongly believe Y because of reasons A and B. Simple, clear, direct. The main body paragraph. Structure is your secret weapon. Every body paragraph must follow this formula. 1. Main idea. 2. Explanation. And 3. Example. That is the formula for success. For example, one key reason is that technology improves efficiency. This clearly states your point. This is because people can complete tasks faster using digital tools. This explains the why. For example, online banking allows users to transfer money instantly. That's Band 7 thinking. The conclusion. Do not overthink this. Your conclusion must be simple. Restate your opinion and summarize your main ideas. That's all you need to do. For example, in conclusion, although some argue X, I believe Y due to A and B. Done. Let me be honest with you. These mistakes are destroying your score. Pay attention. Mistake 1. Overusing. Firstly, secondly, finally. This is basic English and limits your score. Instead say, one key reason is, another important factor is. In addition to this, use variety. Mistake 2. Writing long, confusing sentences. Long does not mean high level. Trust me. Examiners prefer clear sentences, controlled grammar, and easy-to-follow ideas. Keep it simple. Mistake 3. Memorized answers. Examiners can spot this immediately. If it sounds like a template, your score drops. Mistake 4. No clear opinion. If your opinion is unclear, you cannot get Band 7. Be direct. Be clear. How to upgrade to Band 7 fast. Let's fix everything right now. Upgrade 1. Use better vocabulary, but keep it natural. Stop saying very big problem. Say a major issue or a significant challenge. These are natural and sophisticated. Upgrade 2. Use complex sentences the right way. You don't need 100 complex sentences. You only need a few, used correctly. For example, although technology has many benefits, it can also create social problems. That's enough. Upgrade 3. Improve coherence. Your ideas must connect clearly. This is huge for your score. Use phrases like, this is because, as a result. For example, this is what examiners love to see. Real exam strategy. Before writing, spend 5 minutes planning. Ask yourself, what is my opinion? What are my 2 main ideas? If you fix your structure, control your grammar, and write clearly, Band 7 is not difficult. Follow IELTS Education 25 for more.